How to fix selection as locked in Microsoft Word. You open a document, go to type or delete a sentence, and absolutely nothing happens. Then you glance down at the bottom status bar and see that incredibly frustrating message. This modification is not allowed because the selection is locked. Today, we are bypassing the 3 exact system blocks that trigger this lockout to get your keyboard fully responsive again instantly. Okay, so let's look at the absolute easiest fix first. If this is a document you downloaded or received via email, the author likely locked it down before sending it out. You can look right below your main ribbon menu. If you see a prominent yellow info bar that reads marked as final, the document is simply set to read-only mode to prevent accidental edits. So you can just move your cursor over to the right side of that yellow bar and click the button labeled Edit Anyway. So it will look something like this, guys, and whenever you have this pop-up appear, it's going to be in yellow, just like I said, and you can just click Proceed. Also, guys, if you see a prominent yellow info bar that reads Marked as Final, the document is simply set to read-only mode to prevent the edits. Alright, and if there is no yellow bar, but you still can't type, the file has a specific editing restriction layout applied to it. So you can move up to your top ribbon again, click on the Review tab, this one, and look to the far right inside the Protect group, this one here. Then click on Restrict Editing. A dedicated utility pane will slide open on the right side of your screen. If the protection is active, look at the very bottom of that pane and click the button labeled Stop Protection. So in my case, it's not protected because this is my own document, so I don't have this. If the author applied a password that you don't know, a quick workaround is to press Ctrl-A to highlight everything, Ctrl-C to copy it, and paste it directly into a brand new, fresh document container. So this is how you fix this. Your document permissions are now completely restored, status bar warnings are cleared, and your formatting pipelines are wide open. That's it, guys. Hit that subscribe button right now to keep your software optimization strategies spot on. And as always, see you soon.